years old, and you can help her. Help us. Help her. Go on, donate right now. GoFundMe.com/Cops for Angelyn. www.gofundme.com/Cops for Angelyn. It's all about 9-year-old Angelyn. She suffers from cerebral palsy. You can make her life a lot easier, a lot better for her and her family. Trying to get $35,000 to get her a brand new vehicle. She can get through school, she can get through therapy. Go on, donate right now. From downtown Miami all the way to Orlando, baby. www.gofundme.com/Cops for Angelyn. Miami Police Department's bike ride for Angelyn Gutierrez, 9 years old, suffering from cerebral palsy.